Welcome to Top 5. Today we are gonna cover top 5 most beautiful forests in the world. On the 5th place we have ARASHIYAMA Bamboo Grove, Japan. Located in Kyoto, the ARASHIYAMA Bamboo Grove is one of Japan's top sites. As you venture along the path that cuts through the middle of the forest, you'll feel as though you're walking into another universe. Soaring stalks of bamboo surround either side of the path. These thick bamboo stalks seem to continue endlessly in every direction, and a soft light fills the gaps between the trees beautifully. The grove runs from outside the north gate of the charming Tenryuji Temple to the Okochi Sanso Villa, and is at its most atmospheric on the approach to this villa. Kyoto's rainy season lasts from the middle of June to the end of July, with the city prone to typhoons during September and early October. The weather clears up for October and November and is also lovely during April and May. So these shoulder months are the best time to take in the ethereal ARASHIYAMA Bamboo Grove. Coming to the 4th place we have BWINDI Impenetrable Forest, Uganda. Around 10 habituated gorilla families live in BWINDI National Park, and the journey you take to track them is nothing short of adventurous. Suited to more daring travelers, BWINDI's terrain is such that you start your trek on high ground before descending into a valley and then tackling an arduous climb. Slopes can often be steep and there are no trails, giving BWINDI its impenetrable reputation. The park is home to an incredible 79 mammal species, 160 species of trees and 100 species of ferns. As well as gorillas, travelers will be able to spot giant forest hogs, elephants and several small cat varieties. As it's hard to know where the gorillas will be at any given time, you might be spending anywhere between half an hour and 9 hours searching for these majestic creatures. Visiting BWINDI Impenetrable Forest is an experience in and of itself though, as it's one of the most fascinating places on Earth. Located at the southernmost point of Uganda, the forest covers an incredible 32,000 hectares and is a region of unrivaled biodiversity. September is deemed the best time to visit, but BWINDI is generally good for sightings year-round. June to August are also particularly good months to visit, with the reduced rainfall making for more accessible sightings. Wet seasons make for arduous trekking conditions, so are best avoided, and run between March to May and October to early December. The 3rd place is taken by well-known Amazon rainforest, Latin America. The Amazon rainforest, covering northwestern Brazil and extending into Colombia, it's crisscrossed by thousands of rivers, including the powerful Amazon. Verdant rainforest, isolated tribes and exotic wildlife, there are few people who haven't heard of the world-famous Amazon rainforest. This vast natural phenomenon spans across an incredible 9 countries. In Brazil, the Amazon River is at its widest, often several kilometers across. The region's dry land means the forest trees are older and taller than that of the forest elsewhere in the Amazon. In Ecuador, visiting the Amazon offers an unrivaled cultural experience. Native guides are on hand to show you around the land they know so well, and the Huaorani tribe that lives here have preserved their way of life for centuries. At the remote Huaorani Ecolodge, a member of the tribal community welcomes travelers to their journey through the Amazon. In Peru, luxury expedition cruises along the northern Amazon take passengers deep into the rainforest. The flooded forest of Pacaya Samiria Reserve is an entirely different experience to the terra firma of Brazil. A wonderfully untouched region, Peru's Amazon is often thought of as the place where mankind forgot to leave their mark. The 2nd place is taken by Daintree Rainforest, Australia. Listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1988, northern Queensland's Daintree Rainforest is one of the most significant ecosystems in the world. This dense green jungle is so beautiful that it was used as inspiration for the landscapes of blockbuster movie Avatar. For nature lovers and adventure seekers alike, the Daintree Rainforest is Australia's best-kept secret. Visitors can trek through dense jungle, soar through the forest canopy on a zip line or go crocodile spotting along the Daintree River. Home to an incredible 122 rare and endangered species, the Daintree Rainforest is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. Like many vulnerable rainforests across the world, the Daintree Rainforest is under threat. Since its recognition as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, approximately half of the rainforest lowlands have been cleared. At an astonishing 135 million years old, the Daintree is widely recognized as the oldest tropical rainforest in the world, and it's a forest worth saving. Northern Queensland is sunny year-round, with warm waters and cool coastal breezes. The best time to venture into the Daintree rainforest is from May to October. This is Australia's winter, as well as the region's dry season, so it's perfect for avoiding tropical downpours. On the first place we have the Monteverde cloud forest, Costa Rica. Costa Rica's central highlands are always shrouded in mist, making any traveler feel as though they have been transported to another world entirely. Dotted with exquisite cloud forests, this biodiverse region is home to some of the most beautiful landscapes in the world. Costa Rica's forests are known for their elevated and verdant nature, and the country is lucky enough to be home to 6 different cloud forest zones. Monteverde is the country's most renowned destination for cloud forests, surrounded by beautiful nature and incredible wildlife. This small town is hemmed in on either side by the Santa Elena and Monteverde reserves, so the opportunity to get up close to nature is endless. Amongst these mystical cloud forests, travelers can rappel down majestic waterfalls, zipline through misty canopies or stroll along lofty suspension bridges. These wonderful cloud forests are also a stone's throw from the Arenal volcano, where intrepid explorers can hike along trails populated by ocelots, butterflies, umbrella birds and endangered quetzal birds. Temperatures in Costa Rica's cloud forests tend to stay the same throughout the year, at around 29 degrees C. While it's a year-round destination, December to May are the dry months and so they're the best time to make the most of this picturesque destination.